Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about Planet IX, which is a game in crypto that has been compared with Axie Infinity, one of the largest crypto games ever created. As well as that, they're due to have NFT launches and many more exciting things. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping across to Planet IX website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see that Planet IX is an NFT based strategy game with a virtual copy of planet Earth as your arena. Your goal is to rebuild the planet to its former green and blue glory. And if you see behind, you can see all the little hexagons that make up each of the plots of land. And if you buy into this ecosystem, then you will be a holder of one of these hexagons, which obviously brings with it a number of benefits. Now, the whole game is basically about collecting different parts of the globe, different hexagon parts, to make up your total landmass and form a territory in order to unlock further rewards. You can also trade with other players and hold yours to maybe be able to gain a value for it in the future. And obviously if it's successful, like perhaps, being compared with Axie Infinity, if it blows up to the size of something like Axie Infinity, then holding plots of land within that space could be extremely rewarding. And also then you can develop strategies on your own or join forces with others to build up facilities and restore the beautiful planet of IX. There's going to be various play to earn games which are featured within the whole ecosystem. As well as that, there's going to be DeFi functionalities and many other things. Looking down below, you can see the pix tiers. These are the different kind of areas of land that you will hold if you go and purchase a piece of land. You can see down below as well, at the moment 344,000 active agents, 120,000 airdrops already. So being a part of the ecosystem, you will obviously get entitled to winning airdrops. And you can see there's pack drops and various other things where you can kind of buy. And you can see there's various other pack drops and things like that, which is pretty cool. Big community already, and we'll take a look at that later on. As well as that, the whole Planet IX basically runs through the IX token, which is its ERC20 token, simplified peer-to-peer trading in the game. The token is transacted over the Polygon network, ensuring fast and low gas fee transactions. Now, once you buy your IXT tokens, you can then stake them to win further rewards and as well as that support the community with 25% revenue split, with 100% of all the commissions etc. made through trading going back into the community, so benefiting everyone, unlike kind of centralized marketplaces etc. So that's definitely something worth paying attention to. So there's a few different features for using the IXT, from staking, allowing asset owners to claim their rewards, contribute and actively secure the in-game economy, in-game utility. Planet IX will have 4 unique asset pillars which fuel the ecosystem and in-game economy. There's various types of tokens representing both on-chain and in-game mechanics, and then there's also governance. This enables governance structures that can be utilized by all players who want a decentralized gaming experience and claiming rewards. Now, since the project is fairly new and Planet IX hopes to be a huge player in the GameFi space, they're trying to get more and more early adopters involved, and in order to get more involved, they're kind of offering lots of potential rewards and exciting features. And what's coming up on the 14th of June, so just under 2 weeks away, is going to be this Fellow Agents of Change badge, which are available to purchase or will be available to purchase on the platform. So what is the Fellow Agents of Change badge? Well, these badges are a symbol of being an early adopter in the Planet IX ecosystem, and there will be only 50,000 badges minted. The badge will come in 3 tiers, gold, silver and bronze, and the price will be 0.03 ETH. I don't know whether the different tiers are valued differently. Perhaps the gold one may be a bit more expensive, but then ultimately will come with more utilities and perks. So we'll have to see what will go on with that. But you can mint as many badges as you want. There'll be a percentage change at minting either one of the 3 tiers, with the rarest most valuable being gold, followed by silver and bronze. All 3 tiers will have unique perks and give you special access both in the game and in the real world. So obviously it's interesting they haven't really written down what the perks may be within the game. That's access to certain different features that maybe other players won't have access to. Outside of that, you might be getting involved in airdrops. You might have access to more and more tokens, various other features, staking, rewards, passive income, etc. It's kind of difficult to tell. It's a little bit difficult to tell, but projects like this that are successful, they do tend to reward their communities really well, especially the guys who get involved early, because they need early adopters in order to be able to get funding to create the rest of the gameplay and all the other things. So if you're involved as an early adopter, it could be a really exciting one if this game blows up. And I'm pretty sure the GameFi industry this year is going to be a big player in crypto. This is going to be minting on the 14th of June. You have to do a few things in order to be eligible to get access. The first of which, you have to stake a minimum of 10 IXT on the IX Foundation. You only have to stake 10 IXT to be eligible to mint as many badges as you want. This requirement is a good opportunity to educate our fellow agents of change of the DeFi component of the Planet IX ecosystem and introduce more players to the staking rewards from staking your IXT. Now, it will be impossible once they sell out to be able to get any more of these badges. However, you will be able to trade them on the secondary market. So obviously, once you've got the NFT, you have all the perks, etc. that are associated with it. But if you want, you are then able to sell it on in the future on the Planet IX marketplace. More information on all of this can be found over on their Discord. It's a really active community. So if you've got any questions, make sure you go over there and you can get involved with the team over there. Coming over to the Twitter then for Planet IX, you can see at the moment 11,000 or just over 11,000 followers, which is kind of positive to see. It's enough of a following to be able to get the ball rolling, and you can start to see snowball effects developing when you get giveaways, etc., retweets and follows. And this is also a great way, guys. You can see here you can win 3 early adopter badges if you come over, give them a like, retweet, follow, etc. And it's a great way to be able to get your hands on some potentially free NFTs and free crypto. So in summary, Planet IX is one of the most eagerly anticipated and exciting crypto GameFi projects launching this year. If you want to get your hands on one of the early adopter NFTs, then make sure you head to the link down below in the description in order to find out more about the project. And remember, all of this will happen on the 14th of June, so make sure you do not miss out. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, then make sure you subscribe, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.